Hello there, friends and family. I am at the White Harvest Farms and Farmers Market. It is already open according to this sign. When I went to get my free compost, I spoke with a lady and she said she was volunteering up here. I didn't know it existed. This is a very good community resource. It is an urban farm in the heart of the hood where people don't have access to good grocery stores and fresh foods. Of course, it's right next to a busy road, so that's why it's so loud. And there is nobody here this morning, but the farmers market is open every Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. I will put the actual address, but it's at 4850 Moncrief Rd, I believe. I know it's Moncrief Road, but I think the address is 4850. So they are building this little indoor area, and I don't think, well, maybe that is the flea market because they used to have it at a house down the road where they would sell the vegetables. And this house over here is very historic. It is part of Clara White, which is an historical figure in the Jacksonville, Florida area. And she actually has a mission and pioneered a lot of efforts in Jacksonville in the early days. This house has been standing here probably over 70 years, maybe 50 to 70 years. And my parents actually grew up in this area. This is a historical part of town where the people of color lived, and it has a history of being the dump and being a toxic area that caused problems for many of the residents. But now they're trying to turn it into something great, and it is now a farm. And they, like I said, they do take volunteers, and according to the sign, they do classes. And they're building a high tunnel back there, and it's looking very nice. So I did kind of walk the area. Nobody's here. I guess they don't have any volunteers right now, or they're closed on Mondays, but the gates were wide open. So I said, I'll come take a look and film. Now, something that I did see that I'm very concerned about is this cat right here. Don't know if you see him, but there's a cat right here. Has not moved since I've been here. Looked a little hungry and starving. I don't see it breathing. The sprinklers were getting it wet, so I'm hoping it's not. I'm hoping it's okay because I saw its little paw prints here. But I also saw some bigger paw prints, so pray for me. It was some bigger paw prints. I don't know if it ran into some trouble last night or what. But they have some, look like basil growing, sunflowers, and then a squash seed snuck in on the end. These kale trees are so beautiful. So much kale. And I guess that's like wildflowers and things. They got some stuff over here. I'm thinking this is like wheat and soybeans mostly, but they do have some greens stuck in on the edge. And I'm hoping you're getting a good shot because I'm not used to this particular camera, but I'm trying. I'm still having my technical difficulties, but I really wanted to get some videos out to you all. So here we have some carrots, look like. So it's a lot of growth going on back here. And again, I saw those bigger paw prints, so I'm being careful. And it goes way back to the tree line. So they're growing a lot of stuff. And look, I like the way they're mixing it in with the pollinators. So then you'll have a little row of greens back there in the back. So they're mixing it in with the pollinators. And it's looking real nice, real nice. So much growth. And the high tunnel is back here. But I just find it just so weird that there's no one here and everything's out in the open. But here it is. There's the high tunnel with the starts. They also had a seed bank up front. Got some new rows going on here. Not sure what that is, but it's a lot of new rows going on. They're making their irrigation system. So this is going to be a very, very nice place to go. Volunteer, learn some things. And I hope I'm not walking too fast, but I'm walking and watching and everything else. I don't want the big footprints to come back through. So, looks like a little pea, just all mixed in the middle. Oh, it's so cool. But this is a little bit thick, so it's hard to separate the food from the foliage. But they have a lot going on, a whole line of banana trees, and I did see a nice blossom on one of them. I'm thinking these are some kind of soybeans and wheat in this field. And it's so cool, then you'll see a sunflower thrown in the middle. So somebody was just throwing seeds out over here, but yeah, it's very nice, very nice. And it goes so far back. Oh wow, so far back. I'm going to check out the volunteer list, check out the classes, see if I can find a link to place below. But I guess people are sponsoring areas, because there's a Calais Campbell Orchard, Jacksonville Jaguar number 93, Walter Payton Man of the Year, and I guess he put up a sponsorship. And that building is wide open, but I have yet to see anybody. I have been in there saying hello, hello. Nobody's there. Look at those beautiful sunflowers. They're gorgeous. So I'm just walking the trail here, see what I see. See how beautiful it is. I would not want to farm this big. I do not have the people, the family to work it. Maybe if I was somebody with 10 kids or 12 kids, this would be a perfect farm, because you could feed your whole family and you got your workers right on deck and train them up in the way they should go. But this is not a desire, but I would love to come volunteer in the community effort, because again, everybody needs to know how to grow some food in these days and times. Look at that. Sign of good soil. If you see those mushrooms popping up everywhere. So beautiful. I think those are dill, mammoth dill, and some more kale all the way to the back. It is so nice out here. They even go all the way. Guess they got more storage and water tanks back there. These are the woods. On this side, there's a ditch and railroad tracks beyond the ditch. So that could, allow critters to come back. That's why I'm looking. I want one to sneak up on me. But no garden is critter free, because everybody's looking for some food. So it goes all the way to the back. They have more stuff planted back here. But I really like the setup. They can grow a community's worth of food here, and nobody has to starve. So that is so beautiful, that mama's deal back there. I'm still trying to figure out the purpose of the elephant ears. If anybody knows, drop a comment below, because I am like, why are people growing elephant ears? Can you eat them? I just don't understand. But I like the way they have these rows laid out. Looks like they're growing more sunflowers back here, and the elephant ears over there. So it's a beautiful setup. And they have, I guess they have their little meetups back here for the volunteers and the workers. And I think it's like all not for profit, even though they're having the flea market and selling the goods. I'm sure it's at a pretty low cost. And I also heard that they do give away the fresh produce too. So yes, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. So if you want to volunteer, learn, get your hands in the dirt, and help the community, they do, like I say, offer volunteer opportunities. I will try to link that information below. I hope this was some valuable information. I hope you enjoyed taking a morning walk on the farm and seeing the beauty that is the farm. Looks like comfrey, maybe. Now, one thing I do notice, they don't have a whole lot of fruit trees. Seems like this would be a good opportunity to get a whole bunch of fruit trees in. And I've only seen the banana trees. So that might be a good donation item that they may need. See an early morning snail crawling on the comfrey. I don't know if you can see that, or whatever that is. That almost looks like lettuce. But if you want to get your hands in the dirt, come on out and volunteer for a day. See what it's all about. Even if you don't have farms, or aren't growing anything yet and wanted to give it a try and see what it's all about. See if you're suited for it. See if you want to go small or go big or just grow herbs. Get an idea of what it's all about. Just come on out here, spend a day volunteering. You may even spend a day a month, make some friends in the gardening community that's close to your area, get some networking done. It's a good idea. So, again, I hope you like this video. I hope you like my content. If you do, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I am all over the place looking at all kinds of things. And you never know what's in your community. I had a comment saying they never heard of Eat Your Yard, and they have been in Jacksonville all their life. So if you want to find some hidden gems, go ahead and hit that bell so you catch all my videos. If you want to find the deals, the garden deals and steals, hit that bell so you'll be first at the Walmart or wherever. And let's pray for the cat here. I am so sorry. I don't know what to say about that, but it does not look good. We're going to all pray for the cat and hope that he is okay. And we want to thank you for watching. You have a wonderful morning, and get out there and plant a seed. And also by the road, they do have the seed bank. Actually, let me take you over there and see what's in it. I may want to come donate to it. See if there's anything in the seed bank, and then we'll end the video. And as you know, I don't edit, so yeah, my videos are a little splotchy, but I'm real raw and to the point. If you want to watch TV with professional edit stuff, turn that TV on. But you are on YouTube. I am a YouTuber, and just trying to educate the community on farming and gardening. So let's see the seed bank. Yep, seed library. Oh, and they do have some donations. So some Brandywine tomatoes in there. Take a seed, leave a seed. They have some of the same 50-cent seeds I'm buying from Walmart, Homestead tomatoes. So I don't really see anything that I would take. I have too many seeds, but I may bring some to leave at some point. Some peppers, and I don't know what these blue painted seeds are, some mystery seeds. So there's take a seed, leave a seed, starting in Jacksonville, Florida. And there's a code that you can snag with your phone, www.overallslife. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Plant a seed today. Bye-bye.